The Orissa Public Service Commission (OPSC) conducts the Orissa Civil Services (OCS) examination, commonly referred to as the Orissa Administrative Services (OAS) exam. The exam is structured into two main stages: the preliminary examination and the main examination. Below is the detailed syllabus for the 2025 cycle. Memo OPSC OAS 2025 exam structure. 1. Preliminary examination. Paper I, General Studies I 200 marks. Paper 2, General Studies 200 marks qualifying paper, requires 33% to pass. Note, both papers consist of 200 multiple choice questions each with a duration of 2 hours per paper. Each correct answer awards 1 mark, while each incorrect answer deducts 0.33 marks. The marks obtained in paper 2 are not counted towards the final ranking but are necessary to qualify for the main examination. Though, main examination, compulsory papers 1400 marks. Paper I, Odia language 300 marks. Paper 2, English 300 marks. Paper 3, English essay 200 marks. Paper A, General Studies I 300 marks. Paper B, General Studies 2 300 marks. Optional papers 1200 marks. Paper B, Optional Subject Paper I 300 marks. Paper 7, Optional Subject Paper 2 300 marks. Paper 8, Optional Subject Paper 3 300 marks. Paper IX, Optional Subject Paper IV 300 marks. Total marks for main examination 2600 marks. Note, candidates must select 2 optional subjects from the prescribed list. Each subject consists of 2 papers, each carrying 300 marks. The marks obtained in the compulsory papers contribute to the final ranking. Theme: Personality Test Interview. Marks 250. Note, only candidates who qualify the main examination are eligible for the personality test. The marks obtained in the personality test are added to the total marks obtained in the main examination to determine the final ranking. Books detailed syllabus. Preliminary examination. Paper I, General Studies I. History of India and Indian National Movement. Indian Polity and Governance, Constitution, Political System, Panchayati Raj, Public Policy, Right Issues. Economic and Social Development, Sustainable Development, Poverty, Inclusion, Demographics, Social Sector Initiative. Indian and World Geography, Physical, Social, Economic Geography of India and the World. General Science. General issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity, climate change. Current events of national and international importance. Paper 2, General Studies 2 qualifying. Comprehension English Language Comprehension Skills Class X level. General Mental Ability Basic Numeracy, Data Interpretation Charts, Graphs, Tables, Data Sufficiency, etc. Decision Making and Problem Solving. Logical Reasoning and Analytical Ability. Interpersonal skills including communication skills. Main examination. Paper I, Odia language. Comprehension of a given passage. Précis writing. Grammar, usage, and vocabulary. Short essays. Translation from English to Odia. Expansion of an idea. Paper 2, English. Comprehension of a given passage. Précis writing. Grammar, usage, and vocabulary. Short essays. Translation from Odia to English. Expansion of an idea. Paper 3, English essay. Writing essays on multiple topics expected to arrange ideas in an orderly fashion and write concisely. Paper A, General Studies I. Indian Heritage and Culture, Art Forms, Literature, Architecture from Ancient to Modern Times. Modern Indian History, Significant Events, Personalities, Issues. Freedom Struggle, Various Stages and Important Contributors. Post-Independence Consolidation and Reorganization, History of Orissa. Geography of India, Physical, Social, Economic Aspects. Paper V, General Studies 2. Governance, Constitution, Polity, Social Justice and International Relations. Social and Economic Development. Sustainable Development, Poverty, Inclusion, Demographics, Social Sector Initiative. General issues on environment, ecology, biodiversity, climate change. General Science. Current events of national and international importance. Optional papers, choose 2 subjects. Each subject consists of 2 papers, each carrying 300 marks. List of optional subjects. Agriculture, Animal Husbandry or Veterinary Science. Anthropology, Agricultural Engineering, Botany, Chemistry, Civil Engineering, Commerce or Accountancy, Economics, Electrical Engineering, Education, Fisheries Science, Forestry, Geography, Geology, Home Science, History, Indian Language or Literature any one Odia, Hindi, Sanskrit, English, Persian, Urdu. Law, Management, Mathematics, Mechanical Engineering, Philosophy, Physics, Political Science or International Relations, Public Administration, Psychology, Sociology, Statistics, Zoology. Note: candidates are not allowed to opt for certain combinations of optional subjects. For instance, Odia, Hindi, Persian, Sanskrit, Urdu, and English cannot be chosen together. Similarly, combinations like civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and agricultural engineering are not permitted. Check mark key points to remember. Negative marking. In the preliminary examination, 0.33 marks are deducted for each incorrect answer. Qualifying marks. A minimum of 33% marks in paper 2 of the preliminary examination is required to qualify. Tarankan compulsory papers.